Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I started this video wanting to help people that have curly hair to know how to style it and how to maintain their curly hair and what products to use and how to take care of it, because a lot of people don't know like how to style their curly hair. It's surprising how many people don't know like what products to use. So finally I decided, you know what, I'm gonna make a video and I'm gonna help you guys, and hopefully they can learn to appreciate their curly hair and they can learn to work with it, because I have no idea of how to style curly hair or what products to use, because my mom doesn't have curly hair. I get my curly hair from my dad, and so he of course wasn't gonna tell me like, look, this is how you do it, this is how you style it, these are the products that you use. So it took me a while to experiment with different products and find the ones that work for me. So me daba poquito vergüenza en como poquita cosa doing a video because la gente criticó nada, but van a hablar regardless. Like, y que fuera monedita de oro para que le bien a todos. So if they don't like it, whatever, you know. And I just get like so many questions on how I do my hair. What do you put on your hair? What products do you use? Is that a perm? Is that your real hair? Can I touch it? Oh my god, your hair is so soft. Like even señoras will come up to me and they'll be like, ay mija, qué bonito pelo tienes, like es tu cabello, y yo sí, sí es mi cabello. And then they will ask me like, what do you use? Do you blow dry it? And so like there I am on my phone googling it and trying to find a picture so I can show them and I can be like, oh well look, like this is the stuff that I put on my hair. So I finally decided I'm just gonna make a video. So if you guys want to know how I do my hair, what products I use, and how I get it to look like this without any frizz, just keep on watching. I will list all the products down below and I will also let you know where you guys can find them. Just so you guys know, I do listen to music when I'm getting ready, so like if you guys see me moving my mouth, that was me singing.
To begin with, we're going to start with a leave-in treatment / detangling spray that I get from Sally's, and I will link it down below. I just like to spray it all over my hair, as you can see. Up next is my favorite brush. It's called a wet brush, so you can find it at Target, Kohl's. I'm not sure if you can find it at Walmart, but I know that you can find it at Sally's as well. I just really like to brush my hair with this brush because it just is really easy for me to detangle it with it. I know that a lot of curlies like to use a wide tooth comb. I don't like that, only because I feel like my hair stays enredado, like aquí han desenredármelo bien, so this is why I prefer to use this brush instead. So after I'm done brushing my hair, I'm just going to use my fingers to part it to the direction I want it to go into. I don't use a brush for this. Reason why, it's because I feel like it lays more naturally if I just use my fingers. So if you can see, I don't use a comb or anything to do a perfect part. I just kind of use my hair to brush it through and make it go the way I'm going to want it to set once it's dry. After I'm done parting my hair, I'm going to be going in with the CANTU Leave-In Conditioner Repair Cream, and I'm going to put that all over my hair, focusing on the tips and on the ends of my hair because my hair is very dry. I know it looks like I don't have hardly anything in the bottle, but I always overstock when I go to the store. I will buy like 2 or 3 bottles at a time, so don't worry, I have more. I know it just doesn't look like I do, but trust me, I do. The next thing I'm going to be using is the CANTU Curl Activator Cream. This is my favorite curl cream at the moment because it gives me super defined curls, it gives me volume, and it keeps my hair from getting frizzy. It smells really good and it gives me really bouncy curls that won't get frizzy throughout the day. I'm just going to be applying that on my hair. Make sure you really get it through all of your hair. This is going to prevent you from getting frizzy hair. If you need to get more, make sure you just go ahead and get more. Then you're going to scrunch, as you can see. Sometimes I do get a little bit more product and I scrunch throughout. So the benefits of using a hair diffuser is that it will dry your hair without making it frizzy, give you tighter curls, and it will also give you volume without making your hair frizzy, along with diffusing the hair so it's not just direct heat onto your hair. When you're blow drying your hair, make sure you're blow drying it on the medium setting and also with warm air. I try to avoid heat as much as possible, so of course blow drying it with warm air is my go-to always, not only because it's less damaging and also because the cooler the air is, the less likely that your hair will be frizzy. So of course I always want to avoid that, as anyone with curly hair does. What I'm doing here is I am fluffing out my hair a little bit, and I am going to be using a pick to make it fluffier at the roots. So just going to be using this, flip my hair upside down, and just going to go through it. Make sure you're not disturbing the curls. You don't want them to lose their shape, and you don't want to get frizzy hair again. So just brushing them through, trying to get some volume only at the roots. Never brush all the way through the curls, because that can turn into a big, messy puffball or an afro. I am going to be using a little bit more of my curl cream to kind of lay down my little flyaways and baby hairs on the sides and on top, just a little tiny bit, as you can see.
That was it for today, guys. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And I will upload more videos on curly hair tips and care and maintenance, because I'm always changing up my routine and I'm always trying out new things and new products. Like literally every time I go to the store, I head over to the curly girl section and I look at new products and I look at things that I want to try. And if you have curly hair and this video helps you, then I am so happy for you. Like, let me know if you try any of my products. Let me know if you like the video, and let me know if you try my technique, okay?